Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a homemade version of Dunkin' Donuts Nutty Buddy, Nutty Buddy, no, Nutty, Nutty, Nutty Banana Dunkin' Latte. Get it together, girl. Nutty Banana Cloud Dunkin' Latte. Thank you. Now I'm kind of going to put a twist on the one I just did, the banana cream iced latte. If you didn't see that, check that out after you see this. When I was reading it, they say you can add like butter pecan. And I was like, I don't got butter pecan, but I do got a little something. But then I was seeing like the Dunkin' Latte, the banana one. I was like, okay, that's kind of like the same thing. So I'm using a little bit of this and that. Now, don't be alarmed when you see this, y'all. Gotta blend it together. I got 2 ripened banana, but wait, there's more. Yeah, you see it. Like a teaspoon of the marshmallow fluff, a pinch of salt, a dash or 2 of banana extract, and a little bit of my heavy whipping cream. And I had that in the refrigerator all night, so I can go ahead and blend it up today. Now I'll make 2 flavors of the drinks. My first being the cinnamon roll, as well as my brown butter brown butter toffee. If you watch my, you know. I also got my milk, my salt, and that right there is some coffee. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna take everything out of that bowl and go ahead and put it in my food processor. But if you have a blender you want to use that, go right ahead and just blend that right up. Now after I post it, this is what you got right here. More smoother, huh? And that's why I added also the whipping cream as well, so it can be easy to blend. So now I make my coffee. I'm gonna just go ahead and pour it in my cup, my milk and my salt. Then I'm gonna add in my brown butter toffee first. Just put you a little bit in there, as well as a few dashes of the banana extract. And you just want to shake that up and put it to the side and put your cold foam that you made first in. Then you're going to add your coffee in there. And we're going to top it off with some milk. Whatever type of milk you got, just go ahead and pour it in there. Now I'm also going to put a cold foam as well. Now the first thing that I made, that I showed you earlier with the bananas and everything, I'm just going to add additional whipping cream and just go ahead and froth that up and put that into your cup as well. Now I'm going to taste it before I get into the other one I'm going to make. And you see how pretty it look? Yes, y'all. Now usually I add my milk with the coffee and everything, but I said this time I'm gonna do a little different, and then I also want to see that pretty color. And as you see, I nodded my head in approval because it was delicioso. Now this ain't no SpongeBob, but bring it around town. Bring it up. I'm talking about me stirring this drink. Now, upon drinking it, it was good because I made it. And then you could taste the banana, hands down, that cold foam and everything. It was so good. Now, the butter toffee. If you see a video when I first drank it, it was all right, but I would not get that brand again. Sorry, morning. I give it a 9.4. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make the exact same thing. The only difference is I'm gonna use that cinnamon. So just watch me. I begin to Baby, when I tell you, fabulous darling. That it is. So you know I had to get it to make sure it tastes fabulous too. And upon drinking it, you see my face? Delicioso. You sure already knew the Cinnabon was going to get the job done. If you see me when I first tried it, you already know. But for some reason, I don't know why, this time it tasted like it had like a hint of mocha. Now, it didn't take from it, but I just wanted to know where that taste was coming from. It tasted like a banana cinnamon roll. Now I want to make one. Got me saying, my, show tastes good tonight. But if you make yours my way, it'll be yours. Stop. It's a 9.9.